Hello, and thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and this week we're going to go over the Market Monitor. Cheers! This week I want to take a deep dive into the Market Monitor. So if you left-click on your gear bar in the Market Monitor, it will bring you to the Customized Market Monitor page. In this page, you can apply filters to the Market Monitor so it is only displaying what you want it to display. You can change the class if you want it to just display your residential listings, land, so on and so forth, the type. And the most popular one is the area. So say that you are only selling in the Montrose area. You can go through and click on all of the Montrose areas and then say that you want it to show your whole office's information within the Montrose area, and you want to go back 7 days. You can adjust it to show that, and then make sure you hit save, and it will auto-populate for you in the Market Monitor showing just your office in the Montrose area going back 7 days. Another way you could do that is you can easily toggle through by clicking on the My Information, the Market, the Office Firm, Team, and then you can toggle through this and just manually input one and press refresh, and it will also refresh that way. I hope this was helpful information. Happy holidays, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.